Okay. Yeah, this a whole nother song, man. I'm in the still in the same zone, same move, same. Yeah. My leather's so soft. Hey. Okay, my bit. Huh. That's what I do, nigga. Wayne said his leather so soft, but my bitch ass so soft. Let's go. Huh? Okay, serious shit, man. 1,008 grams, man. I do this shit. What I do it for. I do it for the hood, nigga. Hey, my bitch titties so soft, her ass so soft, her hair so soft, man. My bitch is a boss, and I know that she a ball. Say I know that she a ball. Hey, look, this is what it's hitting for. Got the pistol when you kiss it, guarantee this shit kissing like a mistletoe. And I'ma do it cause I'm going ham. Got my bitch Brandy and I love her cause y'all know who I am. We coming through, she changed her last name. And now her shit is Summerall like my motherfucking last name. Fuck you bitches in this cash game. Cause everybody know this life we living in a fast game. Love my mama, love my sister too. I love my cousin, love my auntie, and I gotta love my daddy, fool. This the life and man we living it. So if you ain't feeling this, you need to get your bitch peeling. I fucked up because my joint gone. Roll another one up till the joint gone. And this is what I do. I'm talking about my bitch and how she so her ass so soft, so soft. She's so soft. Her ass so soft. Do what I do, man. Dirty boy done, man. Hey, I said her ass soft. I mean it's cushion soft. And when I put my dick on it, dick taking off. This the way I love to see my thing. Cause man, her stomach and her titties and her ass all feel the same. My baby feels she the thing round. And I just tell her, baby, love the way you go and hold that thing down. She say, daddy, man, I love you. And I tell her, Brandon, man, I love you too. Swear I'm gonna love you, boo. Man, it's real as they can ever get. I'm on some shit by leather so soft, but I'm on here talking about my bit. And I just let this beat ride. Smoke my joint and sit up in the trap, steady fucking getting high. Hey, steady fucking getting high. I'm steady fucking getting high. For what you talking about? This in my dragon mouth. And if you round my bitch, you trip, she gon' straighten your eye. I'm ready to fucking straight beach, nigga. Ask my brother-in-law Jason, he'll tell you she a beach, nigga. Hey, Volume 2 said this. That's gonna be on the next track, man. You know what I'm saying? 1,008 grams though, man. All the time, man. Y'all know the deal. Hit him up, Dirk.